Introduction to AI-driven predictive maintenance. What if you could predict when your HVAC system or mechanical equipment is going to fail before it happens? Less downtime, lower repair costs, and longer equipment life. Welcome to the future of maintenance. AI-driven predictive maintenance. In today's video, we'll break down what it is, why it matters to HVAC and MEP professionals, and why now is the perfect time to start paying attention. What is predictive maintenance? Traditionally, maintenance has been either reactive, fix it when it breaks, or preventive, fix it on a schedule whether it needs it or not. Predictive maintenance is smarter. It monitors your equipment's real-time condition and predicts when maintenance is actually needed, based on actual wear and performance, not guesswork. Where does AI come in? Artificial intelligence, or AI, takes predictive maintenance to the next level. With AI, massive amounts of equipment data, like temperature, vibration, pressure, and energy use, are analyzed in real time. AI can spot patterns and detect early warning signs of failures that humans might miss. Why is this important for HVAC and MEP systems? In HVAC and MEP industries, downtime isn't just expensive, it can be dangerous, especially in critical facilities like hospitals, data centers, or manufacturing plants. With predictive maintenance powered by AI, you can reduce unexpected downtime, lower maintenance costs, extend equipment life, improve system reliability, enhance safety and compliance. Is it just for big companies? Not anymore. While predictive maintenance started in industries like aerospace and heavy manufacturing, today's tools, affordable sensors, cloud-based dashboards, even AI-as-a-service platforms, are making it accessible for contractors, engineers, and facilities of all sizes. Whether you're managing a few rooftop units or an entire mechanical plant, predictive maintenance can be within reach. How do you get started? Getting started with AI-driven predictive maintenance involves 3 key steps. Capture the right data from sensors or existing equipment. Analyze it using software tools or platforms. Act on insights, scheduling maintenance before failures occur. But implementing a real-world system, choosing the right sensors, setting up dashboards, analyzing trends, takes a bit more know-how. What's next? If you want to dive deeper, to really understand how AI-driven predictive maintenance works and how you can apply it to HVAC, refrigeration, and MEP systems, this is just the beginning. We'll be covering AI-driven predictive maintenance, smart monitoring, and data-driven decision-making for HVAC and MEP systems in future videos. Subscribe and stay tuned as we continue exploring how AI is changing our industry. Whether you're an HVAC technician, engineer, project manager, estimator, or student entering the industry, this course is designed to give you the practical knowledge and skills to stay ahead. Inside the course, you'll learn how to identify the right data points for smarter maintenance, how to set up an AI-powered dashboard, no coding required, how to spot early failure indicators before breakdowns happen, how to apply these strategies across HVAC, refrigeration, and MEP systems. Plus, you'll get downloadable templates, checklists, and forecasting tools. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Have you started using AI in your maintenance program yet? Let us know. See you in the next video.